Wait till you see how I cut my 30-minute blow dry in half.
Sorry, I'm just trying to muster up the strength to dry all of this hair.
And I have 20 minutes, 19 minutes till I have to go pick up my daughter for a doctor's appointment. So I'm gonna use this Speed Dry Blow Dry Spray from Color Wow. It's supposed to speed up your blowing time. It's alcohol free. It's supposed to not dry out your hair. And I'm gonna stop talking because I have no time whatsoever. I'm like 70% there. Section hair on the top of my ears. This is gonna be the next section I work on. This guy into a little bun. Upside down, keep blow drying. This section done. Clipping it away. Do this section. 1:05, 5 minutes to spare. And here's the big reveal. Completely dry in 15 minutes, thanks to this Speed Dry Blow Dry Spray. You can go back in with heat tools later, but right now I gotta go. One more thing, look at the shine that's still on my hair because the moisture is still inside of it. Okay, that's it, I gotta go, bye.